Welcome to AutoNerveX. Today, we're taking a first look at the stunning 2026 Karmann Ghia, a modern classic built for the electric age.
Welcome to AutoNerveX. Today, we're taking a first look at the 2026 Karmann Ghia. And let me tell you, it's absolutely stunning. A legendary name reborn, this modern reinterpretation of the iconic Coupe is turning heads with its sleek design and bold performance. At first glance, the 2026 Karmann Ghia holds on to its vintage soul. The elegant curves, teardrop-shaped headlights, and flowing lines pay homage to the original model that stole hearts from the 1950s through the 70s. But now, it's all wrapped in futuristic details. Flush door handles, laser-thin LED lighting, and a silver finish that gleams like liquid metal under the sun. Built on Volkswagen's cutting-edge electric platform, the new Ghia is fully electric. Powered by a dual-motor setup, it delivers around 320 horsepower with all-wheel drive, instant torque, and a 0-60 time of just 4.7 seconds. And with an estimated range of 310 miles, it's not just stylish, it's built for the real world. The interior is just as special. Step inside and you're greeted by a retro-modern blend of design, a sweeping minimalist dash, circular air vents inspired by the original, and a floating touchscreen infotainment system take center stage. There's a digital instrument cluster, ambient lighting in 30 colors, and sustainable vegan leather upholstery with quilted stitching. Driving the 2026 Karmann Ghia feels like cruising in a concept car, smooth, silent, and sharp. With adaptive suspension, regenerative braking, and multiple drive modes, it's as engaging on twisty roads as it is relaxing in city traffic. Volkswagen has also packed in tech. There's wireless charging, over-the-air updates, a panoramic sunroof, and a full suite of driver assistance features like lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras. Only limited numbers will be produced initially, starting at around 52,000 tall, with exclusive launch editions featuring a hand-polished silver finish, numbered plaques, and premium sound systems. In short, the 2026 Karmann Ghia is not just a throwback, it's a rebirth of a design legend. Engineered for a new era of driving, subscribe, like, and share AutoNerveX for more breathtaking automotive reveals like this one. Thank you very much.
The 2026 Karmann Ghia is not just a car, it's a rebirth of elegance. Subscribe to AutoNerveX for more breathtaking reveals.